Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge rear differential noise and discusses commonly documented situations where abnormal sounds may originate from the rear drivetrain area during driving. Rear differential noise can present as humming, whining, grinding, or clunking sounds, and these noises may become more noticeable during acceleration, deceleration, or when driving at steady speeds. The occurrence and characteristics of rear differential noise can vary by model year, drivetrain configuration, mileage, and driving conditions, so the issue may not apply to every Ford Edge. In documented cases, rear differential noise may indicate internal wear over time, lubrication condition concerns, or component stress related to normal vehicle use. Certain operating conditions such as prolonged highway driving, towing, uneven road surfaces, or changes in load can influence how these noises present. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions are typically focused on inspection and maintenance rather than assuming a single failure point. This may include checking lubricant condition, verifying proper fluid levels, and inspecting related drivetrain components for wear or damage. Any repair approach depends on the specific cause and vehicle configuration and is not guaranteed to resolve the concern in all cases. Overall, rear differential noise in the Ford Edge can have multiple contributing factors, and the significance of the noise can differ depending on the vehicle's age, usage, and maintenance history. Proper diagnosis is essential to determine whether the condition is normal, progressive, or requires corrective action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.